Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with this Ace padlock. It's a 54-54-1. As you can see, it says it's a hardened steel shackle, double locking, solid brass body, weather resistant, high security. Let's go ahead and open this sucker up. See if I can't pick it open. Okay. Now I'm doing this through the around the camera and whatnot. So let's see if I can get this sucker. That one's not going to work. A little too big. Just a little Reiki action first. I have a feeling this isn't going to work too well. Let's see if we can do this. Maybe. Get my arm in a little bit better. Four. There's 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these Ace locks can be some bastards sometimes. I tell you that right now. Ooh, can't get under the 5 there. Huh. As you can see right now, there's nothing really binding, unfortunately. And when you're picking something like this, you gotta make sure that you continue to try the tension on it. Continue to bend it back and forth, back and forth. You know, a little bit more, a little bit more. I think I just let off too much tension. Ever gonna let it all go. There we go, a little off of 1. Let off 3. Trying to find the binding one now. The one that's talking to me. Okay, let's start over again here. 2, 4. All right, we're gonna recock it. That's off of 2. Pretty light tension on this right now. Just so you know. Just so you know. It depends on whether or not I'm going to get this. It's interesting. I don't feel anything binding right now. That was 3. 4 is binding. Back to 1. Nothing. 2, 3. All right. Now, as you can see, I tried to rake it a little bit. I tried to pick it a little bit more. And ultimately, I don't know. Not much really happened. I tried bottom of the keyway tension. As you can see, that didn't work out too well. All right, so we reset it. Try it again. Rake, 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 rake. All right, and then we took it out and tried to put it in hand. By this point in time, I think we're at the 20-minute mark. So, all right. So I didn't get it within the first 10 minutes like I like to. So, I'll show you. Actually, I finally got it after that, so let me show you how to do it. So this guy, you got to pick number 2 first. There we go, 2. Then we got 4, and then 5. And then 1. All right, 2. All right, 2. 4. There we go, 5. There we go, 5. Then we go for 1. Don't fit. And there we go. So, see, when you know the binding order of it, you can pick this pretty easily. Here is the bitting, by the way, on that sucker. Not so bad, the bitting on there. And these are 5-pin locks, too. So they are fairly high security, but they can still be picked. Just need to figure out the binding order on them. So, again, thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.